Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the interpreter you want is actually installed. Otherwise, Vscode has nothing to pick. Once done, open your project folder and a Python file so the status bar shows the current interpreter. Then, look at the lower left or bottom right where it lists the Python version and click it. That action opens the command palette interpreter picker. You do this because the picker enumerates all known interpreters from Path, Virtualenv, PyEnv, and Conda environments. Now that the interpreter picker is open, you choose the interpreter you need for this workspace, whether a system Python, a Venv, or a Conda env. If you need isolation, create a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv or Conda create n-myenv Python equals 3. Then activate it and reopen Vscode so it appears in the list. After selection, set it as the workspace interpreter to ensure tasks, the debugger, and linting use that same version consistently. To finish, confirm the version shown in the status bar and run Python version in the integrated terminal to double-check. If tools still use the wrong version, open Command Palette and run Developer, reload window, or restart Vscode. This forces the Python extension to rescan environments. If issues persist, make sure the interpreter path is correct in Vscode/settings. JSON that your terminal activates the virtual environment, and that path or PyEnv shims are configured so Vscode can detect the intended Python.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.